Hello friends, in this video I will show you the brief description about the Amazon software I found recently called Go High Level. First of all, go to google.com and type Go High Level. After that, go on the first link called Go High Level. And this is the software I am talking about. This is the best software I found recently. It is all-in-one sales and marketing platform for agencies as well as the marketers. When you land on this website, you will see the benefits of this software. They have several agencies in their subscription. This is a great tool if you are looking for a good landing page builder software or email marketing software or calling software. It comes with a 14-day trial. Here you can see it replaces so many softwares like ClickFunnels, Katra, MailChimp, Pipedrive, Calendly, Zoho, etc. It is the special software where you can capture the leads, nurture them, and close them. It has also several features like website builder, funnel builder, and landing page builder. Plus, it has server forms, which are drag and drop server forms, and you can even schedule appointments with it. And it is very easy to use. You can also create follow-up campaigns in the software, and you can create multiple challenge campaigns, which means you can create multiple campaigns. You can even do two-way communication on any device. It means that you can do a two-way texting. You can automate all your conversations. You can automate all your messaging also. If you need any help, then you can click on this bubble and you can get help directly from the high level team. You can even create membership areas. Means you can create a membership site and you can upload your videos on it. And it has unlimited usage. You can create unlimited number of membership courses and you can offer them for free or you can make them paid. With the help of Go High Level software, you can close more deals because it has automated nurture and follow-up sequence, due to which you can make a lot of money. You can also able to manage your workflows and pipeline. You can even collect customer payments inside the high level. When you connect your high level software with Stripe payment, you can see all the analytics and report at one place. If you are familiar with Google Analytics before, then you can find this very helpful, because all the analytics about your forms, about your survey forms or your website visitors, you can see all the analytics in the one place. So basically, this is a all-in-one tool, and you can even white label your Go high level software. You can basically sell it to your agency's customer as well, and you can sell it at your own price, which actually create additional revenue source for you. And the support is very good. It has award winning support. I have tried contacting their support, and they are very good at helping. In this table right now, you can see what are the softwares the high level replaces. Like you are doing email marketing before, then you must be knowing about MailChimp. But if you use high level, then you don't need MailChimp or any other email marketing automation software. If you are doing SMS marketing, then you can also do with this high level software. You can see the features and other tools which high level replaces. And if you are building sales funnels using the software like ClickFunnels and Katra, then also you can save those monthly subscriptions by using high level software. You can even build websites. You can build websites with WordPress, Wix, Squarespace. But if you are using high level, then you can build beautiful websites in here. You can even do call tracking with this software. You can create survey forms. You can do booking and appointments. Basically, if you are using Calendly, you don't have to use Calendly. You can use it inside this software. You can also create CRM and pipeline management, and you can white label your software. You can also have tracking and analytics in the high level. You can replace Katra for course and product creation, and you can also do reputation management in high level. If you combine all the software described here, and if you will use all those software, then you will have to pay $1,400 per month. But if you use high level software, then you have to pay only $297 per month. So this is a great bargain, and I highly recommend to use this software. The pricing model starts at $97 per month. Here you will get Twilio setup, where you can enable to use for two-way texting. Then you can get Mailgun setup, which you can use to send unlimited emails, and it has single agency account. And if you go with agency unlimited account, then it will cost you 297 per month. It will have all the things which agency starter account has, plus you can create unlimited sub accounts, and your desktop app will be white label. You can choose any of this account, but in the beginning I prefer you to start with $97 per month plan, and if you like it, then you can later upgrade into an agency unlimited account. And if you want to get a total white label mobile application plus custom JAP upgrade, then you can choose this plan, which will cost you $497 per month, which will give you customized mobile app also. If you want to see the success stories of the people who are using high level, then you can easily watch these videos from Alex, from Goods, Gustavo, from Matt, from Michael, from Matt again, from Ian, from Christine CL, from Travis, from Melissa Blair. These are the users who have got great success from using this software. So basically this is the overview of the Go High Level software, and you can try it with 14 days free trial. You don't have to pay anything in the start 14 days, and after that if you like, then you can continue using it. So this is the overall overview of Go High Level software. I hope you like it, and if you want to try this software, then I am giving the link of this website in the description. You can go click on it and you can sign up for this account. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.